Iron is an important micronutrient. It is needed for proper functioning of cells and also for a healthy immune system, brain function, and muscle strength. Iron deficiency is a topmost cause of anemia. The micronutrient is an important component of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from lungs to transport it throughout the body. Hemoglobin represents 2/3 of the body's iron. Lack of sufficient iron means that your body will not be able to make enough of oxygen-carrying red blood cells. Tiredness and fatigue are one of the first few symptoms that the body gives when it is deficient in iron. The recommended dietary allowance for iron varies for different age groups. Among kids, the requirement of iron is pretty much the same for boys and girls. But as you age, the requirement of iron is more among women as compared to men. According to National Institutes for Health, following is a daily recommended intake of iron for kids and adults. In infants, for the age bracket of 0 to 6 months, it's 0.27 milligram. For 7 to 12 months, it's 11 milligram. Among children, for age bracket of 1 to 3 years, it's 7 milligram. And for 4 to 8 years, it's 10 milligram. Among males, for the age group of 9 to 13 years, it's 8 milligram. For 14 to 18 years, it's 11 milligram. And 19 years and older is 8 milligram. For females, for 9 to 13 years, it's 8 milligram. 14 to 18 years, it's 15 milligram. 19 to 50 years, it's 18 milligram. And 51 years and older is 8 milligram. During pregnancy, it's 27 milligram. When lactating between 14 and 18 years of age, it's 10 milligram. When lactating at older than 19 years, it's 9 milligram. In case you have been diagnosed with iron deficiency, you should consult your healthcare expert to know the doses of supplements that you need to take. But it is essential to get your iron levels checked before starting supplements, as too much of iron can be harmful for your body. Apart from supplements, you can always meet your iron requirement by eating foods that are good source of iron. Following is a list of iron-rich foods: leafy green vegetables, liver and organ meats, legumes, pumpkin seeds, quinoa, broccoli, tofu, fish, nuts and seeds. In order to ensure optimum iron intake, it is important that you consume food sources of iron every day. Kinds of iron. Heme iron and non-heme iron are the two kinds of iron. The former can be obtained from animal food sources, while the latter can be obtained from both plants and animals. Of the two, heme iron is easier to absorb in the body. How to improve absorption of iron in the body? Number 1. Vitamin C rich foods help in better absorption of iron. It captures non-heme iron and stores it in a form that the body can easily absorb. One such food combination is almonds, that's for iron, and oranges for vitamin C. Vitamin C in orange can improve absorption of iron you get from almonds. Number 2. Avoid taking tea or coffee with meals, as they contain tannins and caffeine, which can inhibit absorption of iron in the body. Number 3. Avoid taking calcium-rich foods or calcium supplements along with iron-rich foods, as calcium also interferes with the absorption of iron.